What's up everyone, Will here with Will's Games, Guns and Fun. Today we got a new purchase, Glock 34 Gen 3. Alright, here we go. It's the Glock 34 Gen 3, 5.31 inch barrel, 24 Newton trigger pull. Double check. Empty. This one is made in the USA. So it'll say USA right here, and then you'll have it looks like a little stamp here of Georgia, and it also says made in USA as well here. But overall the same exact thing. The only thing I noticed is that the finish on this one is a little bit more of a matte finish, not as slick as the other Glocks. Could just be the finishing process that they use in Georgia, or maybe it was just this model in particular. You know, comes with your standard 2 17-round magazines. With it, speed loader, case, you know, a little bit here to adjust the sights because these sights are adjustable, and it's got your cutout here. So basically, it's like a 17L, but just a little bit shorter. The trigger is your typical Glock trigger, so nothing to really brag about. And then, you know, with the Gen 3, you have your finger grooves, no adjustable or changing out back straps, but overall it feels really good in the hand, and I like it. So I would definitely recommend this. They did discontinue this model, the Glock 34, so it's no longer made. So, you know, if you don't have one, I would suggest maybe think about getting one before they're all gonna be gone from the gun shops and you can only get used ones. All right, well, let's go to the range and we'll check it out.